This video explains the simple steps to register a company in Hong Kong and start operating with confidence. Pick your structure. Many owners choose a private company limited by shares because it offers limited liability and is widely accepted. Think of a clear, unique name. Check that it follows Hong Kong naming rules and is not the same as an existing company. Prepare your officers and address. You need at least one director, shareholder details, a company secretary, and a registered office in Hong Kong. Gather identification and contact details, describe your main business, set share capital, and have the articles of association ready. Submit the incorporation application online. Enter names, addresses, roles, and share details. Upload documents, and pay the government fees. After approval, you receive your Certificate of Incorporation and Business Registration Certificate. Save the files safely. Hold your first board meeting, issue share certificates, and update statutory registers, including the Register of Significant Controllers. Open a corporate bank account, set up accounting, apply needed licenses, and arrange payroll and MPF if you will hire staff. File your annual return on time. Keep proper accounts. Complete audits and tax filings. And renew business registration. If you want expert support, 3E Accounting can help.